Namaste, this is your weekly reading for January 5th to the 11th with me, the Queen of Cups, Montreal. This week we're using the Wild Unknown Tarot, and I'm doing an alternative abbreviated Celtic cross spread. Remember to stay tuned because at the end I will give you your crystal prescription for the week ahead. For those of you who are new, I shuffle and draw the cards beforehand in order to make the most of your time here today. If you hear little snorts and gurgles in the background, I apologize beforehand. My fur baby is sick. And with that, let's begin. Our signifiers this week are the Son of Wands and the Nine of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles, the Son of Wands. Indicating this reading is for those of you who are going to be made, waiting for, or anticipating an offer of more this week. This offer will come from someone who is very charming, or the offer will be very charming and appealing. Okay, because here we have the Son of Wands, who is the charmer, and then we have the Nine of Pentacles. So it's an offer of more or gain this week that you have anticipating, something you may have been waiting for some time. The heart of the matter here is that you won't see this coming. You've been waiting for it, but you're very surprised by this turn of events. You may think it's too good to be true. So many questions are running through your head. Why now? Can this person or situation be trusted? Notice how this card features all the interwoven cords that look like a bit of a mess. And yet the owl here represents the sacred wisdom of the universe. And the knowingness. So this looks like a mess, and that's kind of anticipating, like, how did this happen this week? Why now? Why not before? But the owl represents that there's a greater plan for you. There's a greater plan for all of us. The shadow energy, or the opposing force, it could be your own negative ruminations. You wanted this for a long time. You see you're coming to a point. This is the swords. You're at an impasse. All right, and this means that you may feel you're unworthy or undeserving or ill-equipped, but keep an eye on those thoughts this week. We always create what we fear. We have the great capacity to create what we fear. We can entangle ourselves pretty badly with negative self-fulfilling prophecies. So keep your mind clear. This is coming to you. This lover or this boss or this friend is going to offer you this opportunity. Receive it with open arms. It's coming to you for a reason. What is the cause for this positive turn of events? And here we have the Mother of Wands. And is it like malicious? Is it a negative intent? Is it manipulative? For most of you, no. It's due to your own persistence, determination, grace, and humility. You see here, she's wrapping herself around her passions. She's wrapping herself around what she's protecting and cherishing. So, no, it's not negative. It's not manipulative. It's honest, and it's due to your own hard work and your grace and your kindness that you've put into this situation. When it comes down to it, we've all been hurt. You may have been hurt. You may have been disappointed in the past by those cycles. They don't have to repeat themselves. Change your mind and change your life. So if this is a romantic opportunity, then just know you deserve it. You're worthy of love. If this is a professional opportunity, it's based on your own merit, on your own deservingness. So don't overthink this and start to doubt, like, hey, why is this coming to me? The past factors, while it won't resonate with all of you, for a lot of you, this will be a romantic commitment or an offer of growth. For others, I anticipate there will be more material opportunities. In either case, you followed your bliss, you followed your heart, the cup of emotions. The trust, faith, and open-minded approach you took with this person or this job or this opportunity, it's coming to fruition now. You followed your heart, you followed your passion. There may have been naysayers, but you will soon reap the rewards of following your bliss and your own personal truth. This is the Ace of Cups, new emotions. What does the near future hold? And here we have the Six of Swords. And this indicates you will finally see the light at the end of the tunnel. And I'm happy for you. You see all this darkness here? That's fear and pain, and it's darkness and it's cloudiness. This is your rainbow, okay? And it's your moment. Good things are coming. Bask in the bliss. Don't overthink things. Take time to enjoy your blessings. We all have those people that think they're being helpful when they tell us, you know, oh, well, be careful. It might be too good to be true. And we don't need to listen to those people. We don't even need to listen to our own negative self-talk that comes up with that. Okay? What are you doing right in this situation? This is the Three of Pentacles. It's tenacity, dedication, and self-care, and knowing when to ask for help and collaborate. You've put in time and effort into this relationship or job or even your own personal development this week. Don't quit until you achieve your goals. You're so close. Don't give up, okay? Your blessing is around the corner. I believe it's coming this week. What you're doing right is being steadfast and a little bit stubborn, very tenacious, and dedicated to this goal that you want to realize. All right, so here we have what you need to change. So I drew the Empress initially. As I indicated with you guys, I always draw the cards, I shuffle the cards like you would in a normal reading. But, and if I need a clarifier, which in this case I did, I will let you know. I just do this for to make sure that these readings are like short and pack a powerful punch. So I drew the Empress, and as a clarifier, I drew Judgment. Okay, what does this mean? This week you'll be asked to dig deep for forgiveness. This is the Empress. Do you need to forgive yourself, someone else, maybe the past? You've also been hurt and disappointed and let down, but it's time to move on. Okay, it's time to rise. I'm not pointing properly. Rise above all this. Rise above. Okay, if romance has gone sour for you in the past, you've been passed over for promotion, heal that part of you. Heal what's been disappointed. This tree flourishes and blossoms in the warmth of the sun. It stretches towards the sun. The dove stretches towards a brighter day, the sun. Both are soaring above it all. Don't let the past hold you back. Now is your moment. All right, and I'm going to give you some really powerful crystals at the end of the reading. Remember to stay tuned. I'm going to give you some great crystals that will help you let go and release. All right. What can't you control? Because in every situation, there's things we can't control and there's no need fretting over it. What you can control is others' thoughts and feelings and perceptions. We all need the support of others, okay, the Three of Wands. We all need the support of others, but we cannot take ownership of the way other people perceive us or react to us. You're responsible for your actions, your growth, and how you feel. If things don't go as expected, like I mentioned, if people don't agree with you, it's not your fault or your concern. As my mother always told me, it's an old saying, but I always equate it to her, link it to her. What other people think of you is none of your business. And that's the truth here. Yes, we need collaboration. Yes, we're stronger in community and friendship. Yes, we are. But you can't control other people. Either they're going to be there for you or they're not. That's not a reflection on who you are, okay, as a person, or whether you are worthy. Now, your hopes and fears. Judgments. You fear you'll make an important choice. You fear you have to make an important choice. You fear that you will make the wrong one. Justice sometimes seems black and white, like these two kitty cats here, but it's not. No matter what you choose, the universe has a divine order, which I want to remind you of here. The divine order and the interconnectedness of the universe. There's a plan for each and every one of us. There is a plan for you. You are sacred to the divine. Don't be afraid. There's rarely a choice so grave that you'll lose your way completely. People always say to me, oh, am I making the right choice? I don't want to lose my path. I don't want to miss out. There's no choice you can make so badly that you'll lose your way. All right, free will is a gift. Don't view it as a curse. Go with your intuition, go with your heart. Make the choice that feels right. If it doesn't pan out, which sometimes it doesn't, another choice will come your way and get you right back on track. So you'll need some crystals for decision making this week. Stay tuned. As always, I will have the crystal prescription for the week ahead. What is the final outcome? Here we have it. Now's the time to pounce like a leopard. It's time to take action, manifest the life, relationship, job, experience you want to live by utilizing your skills. This is the Magician. Life lessons. Use them to the fullest as well. That's been painful. I've talked a lot about hurt this week, but it's in the past. Learn from it, move on, don't hold on to the hurt. Hold on to the lesson. You have more tools than you realize. You're in control of your destiny. Embrace this new beginning this week. Seize the day. Your dreams can come true. Just acknowledge your true potential and your true worth and what you're really capable of. I want you to acknowledge that and embrace that. You're worthy. All right, let's get to the crystal prescriptions for the week ahead. I want you to connect with citrine. All right. Citrine is great for confidence. It resonates strongly with your solar plexus. It's a wonderful choice for improving confidence, boosting optimism, releasing fears of failure or fears of not being good enough. It's also a really great motivator. All right. We also have some carnelian here. It's a favorite crystal of mine for boosting confidence, self-worth, and much like citrine, it activates the solar plexus, but it also activates the sacral and the root chakras to encourage motivation, passion, growth. Remember, the sacral chakra is the twin flame chakra, so it'll help you achieve things as far as relationship and profession. I also have for you guys some red jasper. Okay. Red jasper is a great crystal when you suffer from feelings of unworthiness. It stimulates your root chakra, boosts confidence, motivation, drive, helps you manifest. Red jasper is great for that. Okay. Now, you'll need some crystals for clarity and decision making. For that, I want you to open up your third eye and your throat chakra. That's sodalite. It's good for enhancing intuition, gaining perspective, honoring your truth, calming the mind, boosting understanding. It resonates with the third eye and the throat chakra, so it combines truth or reason with intuition. It's a powerful support during times of inner conflict. Great stone to have when you're at odds with yourself or at odds with how things are going. I also want you to tap into tiger's eye. This would be for decision making as well. Kills two birds with one stone. It's great for confidence and motivation, so that's the first one we're looking at this week, but it also helps you have a clear mind, clear from distractions, help you stay focused because it's a grounding crystal and it resonates really strongly in the earth and root chakra. For letting go, I want you to have some amethyst. It's such a beautiful multi-purpose stone. It's great for letting go, for old emotional baggage, a powerful crystal of spiritual transformation. Amethyst provides comforting for anxiety, for depression, helps you sleep. It helps us unpack the trauma of the past. You guys, this is such a powerful crystal. You need to have amethyst. It helps us see things clearly, connecting to divine spiritual wisdom in the crown and our own intuition in our third eye. Like the last stones we discussed, it gives you a deep understanding to get past heartache and release. We're releasing negative stuff that doesn't serve us anymore. And this can come in the chevron or raw. Just any form of amethyst is great to have. Next, labradorite. This is one of my favorite crystals. I say that about all the crystals. Labradorite is known as the stone of transformation. It's useful going through change, releasing the past, powerful in revealing the truth behind past events or heartaches. Labradorite helps transmute fears, insecurity. It helps strengthen trust in the universe and most importantly in yourself. imbuing you with the faith to move on from things that no longer serve you. And our last crystal of the day or of the week is Rainbow Moonstone. Rainbow Moonstone will help ease the pain of difficult emotional experiences as we engage in the healing process. It'll help you let go of the past. It'll help you see distressing events clearly, help you soothe, comfort yourself when you have anxiety as you reflect on the past, to avoid re-traumatization. As an added bonus, helps transmute negativity. We often think of black tourmaline or grounding stones as transmuting negativity. Rainbow Moonstone really helps because it does have that black in it. Rainbow Moonstones resonates with the crown chakra, but depending on where you place it, like if you place it on the heart or the solar plexus or the third eye, it can help you achieve emotional healing. Healing of self-esteem in the case of the solar plexus, healing of your thoughts if you place it on the third eye, and as I mentioned, healing of self-esteem if you place it on the heart chakra. I have been the Queen of Cups Montreal. I hope your new year is starting off great. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share. I come with a new reading every week, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss next week's reading. I want you to check out my tarot channel. She's a great reader that provides monthly readings and bi-monthly readings. She's a friend of mine and she provides for individual signs. You can always find links from my Facebook, Instagram, services, and healing crystals in the video description below. You can find these crystals that I featured here. I just had a crystal haul, bought some new crystals. You'll be able to find those healing pouches soon on my Etsy. Thank you for joining me. Have a great week. And as always, guys, love all and harm none. And this includes yourself. Namaste and